Hello everyone, this is Eva from Medical. Today I'd like to introduce our mass-produced baby cribs in our factory. Beside me are the components of our baby cribs. Now let me take you to have a look at our finished product. You will notice that the whole baby crib is built with a full stainless steel frame. One of the biggest advantages of this baby crib is that the frame fits the basin perfectly with no gaps at all. It makes the whole baby crib more elegant in appearance and much more stable in structure, providing better safety and comfort for babies. Do you want to know how we make it to fit so precisely? This top German automatic tube bender is a key. It's all controlled by computer and operated from touchable screen. This designed 3D fitting frame is made from this advanced machine. Let me show you how we branding it out. You can see it can rotate the tube by digitized motor to get accurate angle. Finally, we can get this frame. Now, let's fit the ready frame onto the basin. As you can see, it still fits perfectly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Welcome to contact us anytime.